Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's Keeping It with BB. If you're new, I do fashion, beauty, and lifestyle videos. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for coming back to watch another video. So today is an unplanned unboxing video. It was a little bit of an impulse buy, just a little bit. I was eyeing this bag, I was looking at it. I saw it on one of my favorite fashion content creators. Her name is Scout the City on Instagram and here on YouTube. I'll link her channel down below. She did a luxury haul and this bag was a part of her haul. So I scoured the internet after that looking for this bag. I wanted to just know more about it. Like, is this new and where, you know, all that. Anyways, it was a new bag. It's a new bag from Gucci. It's a mini bag. And it was sold out on Net-a-Porter. And I think it was in stock on Gucci's website, but if I'm going to be spending this kind of money, I like to see it in person. I like to try it on. You know, I really want to see, is this bag for me? And I want to have that feeling, like that connection, that emotional connection with the bag. I know it might sound crazy to some people, but I'm a bag person. So, hey, what can I say? I texted my SA. I sent him a picture of the bag. I asked him if they had it in stock. This was like, let me see. I'm going to check to see when I texted him to see if they had it. So I texted him on April 13th. And he told me that they didn't have it in store, but, you know, he would let me know if they get it in. So he texted me today, which is, what is today? April 22nd, so almost 10 days later. And he said, hey, we got the bag in. They only got 2 in. So I went there right after work. Anyways, I went right after work, looked at the bag, fell in love with the bag even more. Like, I knew the bag was for me. At least I think it's for me. So really quickly, my outfit, just because someone may ask, I don't know, do I sound like one of those huge influencers that says, just because I know somebody's gonna ask, I'm gonna go ahead and tell you what I'm wearing. So I'm wearing a thrifted linen blazer. I love it so much. I'm also wearing a vintage Dior blouse. It says Dior right there. It's not a blouse, it's actually a shirt. This is a men's shirt. I have on my Nefertiti necklace. This is old. I think I got this from Amazon years ago. And this is my pearl necklace from Ginger Bloom. I'll link it down below. And I just have on some vintage Calvin Klein mom jeans. And I'm in the house, so I have on my Crocs. And they're green. And I also have on my Gucci earrings. And these are my 14 karat gold hoops from Majuri. Love those as well. And my makeup, I'll link it down below. But this eyeshadow, I'm loving it. This is the new eyeshadow from Violet's makeup line. She is a French makeup artist. I'll link it down below. Love this. This is my first time wearing it. So let's go ahead and get into this unboxing and we'll talk some more about the bag. So this was actually my very first time buying something from the Gucci store in person. I've ordered one thing from the Gucci website and those are my silver Gucci earrings, and I will link the video here so you can see where I unboxed those earrings in a luxury haul that I did if you want to check that out. So I am in love with the packaging from Gucci right now. It's so pretty. It's like an embossed bag here, green. I tried to retie the bag how they tied it in the store, but I couldn't do it. But anyways, this is the box, and I'm gonna go ahead and take that off. I'm getting excited. So this is the box, and I'm gonna open that, of course. I know y'all are probably getting excited. This is the dust bag that it comes in, and this is what it looks like when you take it out of the bag. So this bag is called the Padlock Mini Bag. And the reason why I went ahead and bought it today as soon as I saw it in person was because, I don't know if I had a connection with it, an attachment to it that quickly, but they only got 2 in. And I was like, okay, I'm just going to go ahead and buy it and secure it. And if I change my mind, I can always take it back, you know, the next day. So I bought it. I love it, you guys. Like, I really, really love it. It is a bit expensive for the size, you know, it is luxury, but compared to other luxury bags, I guess it's a little bit of a better price. But you guys, What do you think? Do you think I should keep it? Comment down below if you love this bag, or if you think, I don't know. Tell me what you think about this bag and if you think I should keep it. Right now I'm leaning towards keeping it. That's why I went ahead and got it, because I didn't want it to sell out and then I would lose my chance of getting the bag in person. Right now I'm just inspecting the bag and looking at everything. The only thing I see that I don't like is this right here. So this is a seam for the strap, but I just don't like how it's like white right there. So I might end up asking my SA to get me a different strap, because if you're paying this kind of money, you want everything to be perfect. So yeah, anyways, you can wear the bag without the strap. I'm gonna take the strap off. It just slides out right here. And let me take out the pack. You get all kinds of stuff. I don't know what all this is. Probably care instructions in a few different languages, like little books. So I'm just taking out all the little things that come with it. This is the little tag or whatever. And there is a little card slot holder right here. What's in there? Just a little filler. They just have a little filler in there to show you it's for cards. And it says Gucci right there. You probably can't see it from here, but this is what it looks like. And you close it like this and you open it like that. You guys, this bag is so cute, and it actually fits more than you'd think because of the depth of the bag. And I'll leave the measurements down below and the link to the bag on the Gucci website. So I'm gonna put my phone in there. I have the iPhone 11. I think it's the same size as the iPhone Pro, not the iPhone Max. So that's what it looks like with the phone in. You have space still. So let's see what else fits in there. I'm actually currently using my vintage Gucci belt bag. This is my Louis Vuitton Rosalie coin purse. The wallet that I'm currently using, I'm going to pop that in there. Let's see how that feels. I mean, this is a mini bag, so you probably wouldn't want to use something that's going to take up that much space, because you can see how it's kind of pushing on there. Since the wallet is pretty big in there, I'm going to utilize the card slots and use them for what they're made for. I'm just going to use my little Starbucks card as if this were my credit card, and I wouldn't put more than one card in there. It's a very tight fit and you wouldn't want to stretch that out. So there's one card in there. This is my little vintage Dior pouch that I keep my keys and mini fragrances in. So there's that in there. So let's put a lip product in there for size reference. I've got the lipstick in there now, and you still have space for something else right here, like a small hand sanitizer or hand cream or something like that. And I'm going to close it, and this is what it's looking like. This is what the bag looks like with things in it. It's super, super cute. It's super, super small. I love it. But it's still practical to me because you can fit your phone in there, your keys, your lipstick, chapstick, a hand sanitizer, hand cream. You can fit the things that you need in there, just like daily essentials. And I love how this bag can be casual, but you can also dress it up too, because you can take it as a little top handle on a night out, to dinner, or on a date, and then you can use the strap during the daytime to make it a little bit more casual. So I do feel like this bag is pretty versatile, and you guys, I'm falling more and more in love with it the more that I look at it and hold it and put things in it. So now I'm going to put the strap on it and show you what it would look like crossbody or on your shoulder. So this is what the bag looks like holding it in my frame. I can't put it all the way down just because this is as far as I can get away from the camera right now. But yeah, you get an idea of what it would be like on my frame. I am 5'7", size 28, jeans size 6, US. So yeah, it's really, really cute. I love it. What do you guys think? Do you guys think I should keep it? Should I invest this money into something else, something different? I don't know. What do you think? So now I'm going to put on the crossbody strap and show you what it looks like. I backed the camera up some and I can show you what it looks like more so now actually if I was holding it top handle. So yeah, this is what it looks like top handle with the crossbody strap. This is it on my shoulder, and I have it on the second to last hole. So you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 different holes to adjust this at. And I love that the strap is adjustable and removable. It just makes the bag a lot more wearable and a lot more versatile. And I feel like you're getting more than one bag, you know, with that price point. You can wear the bag a few different ways, and you don't feel like you're just wearing the bag the same way all the time. And I think it's actually really cute with the outfit that I have on today. Very casual blazer fit, but the bag just kind of gives it that little bit of oomph. You guys, it's so cute. Like, it's so cute. This is probably normally how I would wear the bag. I am a crossbody type of girl, but I also think it's kind of cute on the shoulder. I've always thought that like a crossbody bag that fits on the shoulder well and doesn't fall off is a cute look, and this is one that's not gonna be slipping and sliding off of your shoulder. So yeah, this is the bag, you guys. I think it's really cute. I really love it. Let me know what you think down below. I didn't see any reviews on this bag yet, so I think my video is going to be the first review on this bag. If you were thinking about getting this bag or looking into it, let me know what you think. This is it up close. I don't even think I showed you, but yeah, it just says Gucci right there, and this is all leather. The strap is leather, and this is canvas, durable canvas. That is the unboxing and what fits and mod shots of the new Padlock Mini from Gucci. You guys let me know what you think about this bag and this video, and I'll catch you next time. This is Keeping It on the BB.